Today we'll be showing you how to replace the relay overload. In your hands you should have either of these two relays or overloads. Please check to see which one we have shipped to you. You will also need a flathead screwdriver as a simple tool to help you out with the job. We'll start to the left of the compressor by removing the cap. Press in on the spring and use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open. On the other side of the compressor, which you will not be able to see, there's another clip for the spring that you have to remove. Once you remove that, you're able to remove the cap. Depending on what relay overload you receive, you will either have this setup or this setup here. To remove the relay overload, take your flathead screwdriver and pry it in between the compressor and the part, and simply push out gently. With this overload, you would have to pin these two pins together, and they would just slide out. To install, you just reverse the process. Always start with the overload. These pins will go down and will fasten into the space. Next, take the relay, put it back. Place the cap in and reattach the fastener.